guys, welcome to my channel, Scene Ivy. So I just want to say hello to everybody that's watching my YouTube channel, and I'm wishing everybody in safe and in good health. So today is an amazing day. It's a happy Monday, and finally I decided to unbox the gift of my husband. This is actually kind of part 2 of my what I received during my birthday. So this is a special one because my husband bought this for me. Of course I choose it, but he's the one who paid for it, definitely. But it's a gift from him, so I'm excited to share with you. I just opened it. I just unsealed it, but I never opened it. I never saw it. I never see what's inside. Even if I order it online, I never open it yet. Really, this is the time that I'm gonna open it. So stay with me and let's do it now. So this is delivered from US, and I'm gonna unbox it now. So you can see the name. Yes, another Marc Jacobs bag. And this is what I really want prior to the one that I ordered before. But it's a Marc Jacobs bags, and I love packaging because it's really their brand that is written in it. So yeah, it's Marc Jacobs, and I will tell you the price also. So I have the Marc Jacobs here. This is the proof of receipt that I bought it. Well, you can, if you want to return it back, then you can give it back to them. So I'm excited to shoot my new Marc Jacobs bag. This is the color Lagoon Multi. So let's open it. So I ordered it, I think, after my birthday because I'm decided what I want on my birthday. So I decided, okay, I'll buy it after my birthday, if I got decided which one. So ooh. Okay, the name of the bag is the Box 23. It's the Box 23. I love the dust bag because it's a cloth dust bag. It's not just an ordinary nylon dust bag. And yes, you know that. This is the Box 23, size 23. And what I got. Ta-da-da! This is my new Marc Jacobs bag box, size 23. Look at the color. I love it. I've been wanting a blue like this also, and this type of bag, the box. So it's there's a handle that you can hold it. Is it nice? Yes! And it's sale when I bought it, so it's a big deal. So it's a 2 zipper. Let's just remove this. Okay, sorry. Okay, there we go. So I don't know why it's long as a zipper. Like really big, but okay. Let's remove the papers inside because that's why it's heavy, because of the papers. Okay, so one plain black inside with a touch of blue there, with one compartment here. And there's another zip area. Oh, I just closed it, sorry. another compartment here. So it's 2 zip area. This is the strap. I'll just remove the pack. So many paper bag inside. Okay, that's it. So look how cute she is. Okay, so there's one plain area here with no pocket inside, just a plain but wide area with a black interior, so you cannot see that much. And then another one here with one zip pocket here, so you can see there's a caretaker card, and there's one small packet here. Okay, so let's just remove that. There. So yeah. Okay, so one compartment, plain black, another black interior but with blue lining inside because of the compartment, small compartment there. You can put cards, coins, keys. And let's see the strap. Oh, there's so many colors on this one. I will link down below the website that I got this one so they can easily access. And it's a MarcDown. You can see all the MarcDowns. They're different color and they're all nice color. Marc Jacobs, they're in comeback with the, you know, the combination of different colors, like really cute bags. They have a lot of nice bag as well, but I've been wanting this one, the box bag. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a seven holes that you can adjust. See, seven holes. The way you're gonna adjust your strap. So let's try to put it. Let's be on the top. So it's gonna be on the top of the handle to put the strap. It's not on the side. I thought it's gonna be on the side, but it's not. It's gonna be on the top one. So let's try. Okay. Yes. I match it with my blue outfit. So this is the bag. Oh my god, I love it, and it's so cute. So this is a crossbody bag. I'm 5'4" in height. So this is how it looks like. If you're gonna do in front, you can do shoulder bag also if you want. So this is the cross shoulder strap. Or you can even, if you wanna do handbag style, you do it like that. You cannot put on the arm because it's not a lot of space to put. It's too small, the space inside. But you can handle it like that, carry it like that. It's so cute. Definitely cute. So yeah, this is my new crossbody Marc Jacobs bag, the box in 23. There's a small version of this. For me, I took the big one because I put a lot of things. So I think the size of this one it's better on my height and my needs. But there's a small version of this in the website. Like I'm saying, I'm gonna link down the website for you to check. This is not sponsored. This is on my own money, of course. But just for your input in case you wanna interested in looking for the same bag. So this is the bag. The bag box in 23, size 23, and I love it. Good decision that I took it. And I'm happy with this one. Happy with this one. I think I'm gonna show you next time what fits on the bag, and I'm gonna do comparison between a soft box and the back's box 23 because it's the two different one. So this is there's a name in it. You can see a Marc Jacobs in it, but this is plastic. This is not a leather, it's a plastic. So it's cute. Like I'm saying, I'll link down the Marc and Jacobs website. You can choose different colors, and it's still on sale with a big version and a small version of this cute bag. So that's it, guys. So hope you like my unboxing, and I'm happy that I choose the right one, because sometimes I'm buying and I regret buying it because of the size and you know, like I'm saying, I carry a lot of things. So I love it, and I'm happy with the size that I took. And that's it. Thank you for staying with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this bag, and hope you like it also. And maybe you are the somewhere out there, somewhere who else who's gonna be interested in buying this. It's a good cute bag. So bye, guys.